Hey everyone, welcome aboard as we take a close look at the Pedro Skiron 35, a true classic Dutch steel motor trawler yacht that has captured the hearts of boaters across Europe for decades. Built by the respected Pedro-Boat shipyard in the Netherlands, this 35-footer strikes the perfect balance between rugged seaworthiness and everyday comfort, making it ideal for relaxed canal cruising, river adventures, or gentle coastal hops. Whether you are a first-time buyer dreaming of weekend escapes or an experienced skipper looking for a reliable live-aboard companion, the Skiron 35 delivers timeless appeal without breaking the bank. Today we will walk through its standout features, thoughtful design, inviting interiors, solid performance, and the unique qualities that keep owners coming back for more. Starting with the key features, the Pedro Skiron 35 measures a practical 10.6 meters in length overall with a beam of 3.5 meters and a modest draft of around 1 meter, which lets it slip easily into shallow waters and most inland locks. At roughly 8,500 kilograms displacement, the steel hull gives it a reassuringly solid feel on the water while keeping the center of gravity low for excellent stability. The boat comfortably sleeps 4 to 6 people across 2 main cabins plus a convertible dinette, with generous headroom throughout that reaches nearly 2 meters in the saloon. Standard equipment usually includes a bow thruster for effortless docking in tight spots, an electric windlass up front, and a spacious aft swim platform with ladder and shower, so stepping ashore or taking a quick dip feels natural and safe. Many examples come with a flybridge topped by a practical blue soft-top bimini that shields you from sun or rain while still offering 360-degree views, and the wide side decks with high stainless railings make moving around the boat secure even when underway. Fuel capacity sits between 250 and 400 liters depending on the build year, paired with a 250-liter freshwater tank and a similar-sized holding tank, giving you plenty of independence for multi-day trips. Add in modern touches like Webasto hot air heating, shore power hookup, and a solid electrical system with battery charger and inverter, and you have a yacht that feels fully equipped straight out of the yard. When it comes to design, the Skiron 35 embodies classic Dutch trawler styling that has stood the test of time. The hull features a gentle flare at the bow and a full displacement shape that slices through chop with confidence rather than slamming over waves, while the low air draft of about 2.5 meters, often helped by a folding radar arch, means you can pass under most bridges without drama on European waterways. The steel construction is thick and professionally welded, offering unmatched durability against bumps, corrosion when properly maintained, and that satisfying, solid as a rock, sound when you step aboard. White gel coat or painted topsides keep the look clean and bright, accented by warm teak or cork decking on the aft cockpit and side decks for grip and classic charm. The superstructure is thoughtfully proportioned with large panoramic windows in the wheelhouse that flood the interior with light and provide excellent visibility from the inside helm. Outside, the spacious aft deck invites lazy afternoons under the convertible canopy, while the forward deck offers room for sunbathing or anchoring gear. Every line feels purposeful rather than flashy, giving the boat a timeless, no-nonsense elegance that turns heads in any marina without screaming for attention. This is the kind of yacht that looks as good in 20 years as it does today, because the design prioritizes function, safety, and understated beauty over fleeting trends. Step inside and the interior features immediately make you feel at home. The main saloon and wheelhouse blend seamlessly into one bright, sociable space thanks to those expansive windows and generous headroom. A large L-shaped settee upholstered in neutral or mottled fabrics wraps around a sturdy table, perfect for meals or evening card games, while the opposite sideboard offers storage and space for a small television or navigation displays. The helm station sits forward with a comfortable captain's chair, clear instrumentation, and direct sightlines out over the bow. Just aft or forward of the saloon lies the practical galley, fitted with a 4-burner gas cooker, stainless sink, and a decent-sized electric fridge freezer that keeps provisions fresh for a week or more. Teak or cherry wood cabinetry lines the walls with a warm, glossy finish that feels luxurious yet durable, and you can choose between soft carpet or a hard-wearing Formica floor pattern to look like teak. Moving forward, you reach the guest cabin, typically arranged as a comfortable V-berth or convertible double with ample underbed storage, portholes for light, and an overhead hatch for ventilation. Aft you find the master cabin boasting a full-sized double bed with easy walk-around access, built-in wardrobes, and a large escape hatch that opens directly onto the swim platform, giving you a wonderful water-level view when you wake up. The bathroom is a proper wet room layout with a marine toilet, sink, separate shower area, and teak grating on the floor for quick drainage, all finished in easy-to-clean materials with plenty of storage for towels and toiletries. Warm LED lighting, curtains for privacy, and the Webasto heater ensure the whole interior stays cozy even on chilly evenings, while thoughtful details like brass hardware and custom upholstery options let owners truly personalize the space. On the performance side, the Skiron 35 is all about relaxed, efficient cruising rather than high-speed thrills, and that is exactly why so many owners love it. Most examples are powered by a single reliable diesel engine in the 90 to 110 horsepower range, such as a Volvo Penta TAMD 31 or Perkins Sabre, driving a shaft and four-bladed bronze propeller. At a gentle displacement speed of 6 to 8 knots, you can expect fuel burn as low as 4 liters per hour, which translates to an impressive range of several hundred nautical miles on a single tank, perfect for long days exploring without constant refueling stops. The hull's full displacement design slices smoothly through inland waters and handles light coastal chop with reassuring stability, while the low center of gravity and modest draft keep rolling to a minimum. With the bow thruster engaged, even tight marina turns or strong crosswinds become manageable for solo skippers or couples. Top speed sits around 17 kilometers per hour when you need to make time, but most owners rarely push past cruising revs because the boat simply feels happiest at a steady, fuel-sipping pace. Engine access is excellent through dedicated hatches, making routine maintenance straightforward, and the indirect cooling system plus quality shaft coupling keep everything running reliably year after year. Whether you are gliding along a quiet Dutch canal at sunrise or crossing a bay in settled weather, the Skiron 35 delivers predictable, confidence-inspiring performance that lets you focus on the journey rather than fighting the boat. What truly sets the Pedro Skiron 35 apart as a unique selling point is its unbeatable combination of Dutch engineering quality, versatile practicality, and outstanding value that few production yachts can match in this size range. Built by a family-owned yard with decades of experience in steel displacement craft, every Skiron 35 feels like it was crafted with real-world boaters in mind. Robust enough to handle the occasional bump against a lock wall, yet refined enough to feel like a floating apartment. The low-maintenance steel hull, when protected with proper coatings, lasts for generations with minimal worry compared to fiberglass, and the thoughtful layout means you never feel cramped even after weeks aboard. Owners rave about how easy it is to handle single-handed thanks to the bow thruster and responsive steering, while the spacious aft deck and flybridge turn every sunny afternoon into an outdoor living room. Because the model has been in continuous production with only minor updates, spare parts remain readily available and the community of fellow owners is supportive and knowledgeable. At a price point that sits well below many comparable modern trawlers, you get genuine live-aboard comfort, proven long-distance capability, and that unmistakable classic character that turns heads in every harbor. Whether you plan gentle family weekends, extended summer cruises through the European waterways, or even a semi-permanent home on the water, the Skiron 35 offers a rare blend of reliability, comfort, and timeless style that makes every voyage feel special. It is more than just a boat, it is a passport to relaxed adventures that will create memories for years to come.